Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I'll be sharing with you what we had for dinner a few days ago. Actually, I just got back from workout, and then once I got in the car, I was like, what am I gonna make for dinner when I get home? And then I said, it's been a while. We had mashed potatoes, maybe some salmon. So I stopped at the organic store not far from us. I grabbed some and then came home, put everything on the side, and then I told my husband to please cut some potatoes, put it on fire, and then I ran upstairs and shower. When I came back, the first thing I did was wash the salmon. I like to wash my salmon with some white vinegar and water, and then just drain it for like a few minutes. So after doing all of that, that is me right now. Adding some seasonings in the salmon. Nothing crazy. I just added some garlic, onion, paprika, chili, and now that is Maggi I'm adding. So pretty much that's it. And here you have two options. Just make sure you mix it really well. You can fry it, or you can throw it in the oven like I'm going to. Like I said, I just got back from workout, so I'm a little bit, tired. That's why I put it in the oven. I think if you fry it, it tastes a little bit better. And then now I'm making the heavy cream sauce that will go perfectly with the mashed potatoes and the salmon. I first fry onion a little bit, added garlic, and then I added heavy cream. Lately I have been using dry chili. It's really nice. So that's it pretty much. And then I opened the freezer. I wanted to grab spinach, but then I was like, I don't have any spinach. So that is some kale. I just really wanted something green in there. So this is totally optional. If you don't want any greens in there, you don't have to put any. So I put the kale, and then now salmon is ready. You only have to bake it for 20 minutes at 350 because salmon doesn't need to be in the oven longer than 20 minutes because you don't want it to dry. So go ahead and throw all the salmon in there, and then after this, pretty much it's ready. But still, I will let it just sit for like 2 more minutes before I turn the stove off, because salmon looks good, the heavy cream is thick enough, so pretty much all done. And then mashed potatoes also is ready. I know everyone know how to make mashed potatoes, so that's why. And also I was rushing. The kids have to go to bed. It's already 8, and Bilal had to be up by 7 a.m. 6:45, 7 a.m. That's why I said, okay, I was rushing. I quickly just mashed the potatoes. I like to add heavy cream in my mashed potatoes and some butter in there. So just to let you know. And I think I have the recipe already in my Instagram. By the way, guys, I share recipes almost every day on my Instagram and also TikTok. So I'll write down my username on at the caption below, so do check it, please. So I start with the kids, and then for us, after we pray Maghrib, then we will sit down and eat, and so we can have some quiet time, me and my husband, to enjoy our food, so I can also hear about his day and he will hear about mine. You guys already know how my day went. I'm so happy and proud of myself because I think last month I only missed maybe 4 days of workout. I don't go to work out on Sundays because they don't have their daycare in there. Because usually I try to go like around 12. So I just take Zaid and Yusuf to the daycare because Bilal is at school. So I'm really happy about that. I'm trying to lose some weight because July to August, I gained so much weight. Like, subhanallah. So I really don't like that. And I just want to stay healthy, in general. I try to do portion control and then work out just one step at a time, I know I'm not the best like healthy eater, but I try my best, honestly. That's pretty much it for me right now. And hopefully, like in this month, in September, I will even do better, and also um, start doing skincare routine. And then also I have been seeing a lot of oil, what is it called, like oil hair growth, oh my god, all over Instagram and TikTok. So I have everything for the oil, and I want to give it a try. Probably I will share the recipe. Well, it's not a recipe. Well, kinda, right? Whatever you want to call it. On my Instagram, how you can make the hair oil. A lot of people say it works. In 6 months, your hair will be, will grow. So hopefully, I really want to grow my hair, and then kind of go from there. So yeah, guys, that is it pretty much. Please, if you're new again, don't forget to like this video, comment, share with whoever, somebody may like the recipe, idea for dinner or something like that. All right, take care. Bye bye.